Hello everyone, welcome to Groupboss version 4 tutorial video. Our Facebook lead generation tool lets you collect unlimited leads from your Facebook groups. Now let's try the Autoresponder feature. Here you'll find almost 30 plus email autoresponder integration scopes with Groupboss. Just click on the Autoresponder dropdown and you will find the whole list. In here, you can configure multiple integrations for a single group. For example, we have this group named Facebook Group Growth, and we can integrate almost all the email marketing autoresponders. However, generally the users only use their desired ones, maybe one or two autoresponders. Let's try one. One of the popular autoresponders is MailerLite, so just select MailerLite and click Add. To configure it, you need certain things like API key and group ID, as you can see. So let's go to our MailerLite account and find these. So this is our MailerLite account's homepage. From here, see the left side toolbar and find Integrations. Click on that and you will find API option. Create an API and paste it into the extension. Now let's find the group ID. Scroll down below and you will find Group ID. If you don't have one, then create one. Copy the group ID and paste that into the extension. Hit the Save button. The integration is successfully done. We have guides on these integration steps in our help portal. We will put the link in the description. If you find your desired autoresponder, then you can configure it following our guides. And if you can't find it, don't worry. Go to our feature request page and put your suggestion there. We'll be adding your suggested integration based on priority. Now, as we told you earlier, you can have multiple integrations for the same group. Let's try another autoresponder integration. We are selecting MailChimp integration. So here you can see we need the API key, username, audience ID, and tag name. Let's fill in all the required fields from our MailChimp account and click Save. So the integration is done. As you can see, all the currently active integrated autoresponders are here. Also, you can change the integration by clicking the pen icon. For example, if you want to change the tag name, change it here. You can also delete. Just hit the delete icon here.